Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhbr.com or call 541-884-1343. Enterprise Zone, Tax Benefit Opportunity, Industrial Property next to Airport, Highway 97 and Southside Bypass in Klamath Falls, Oregon. Endless commercial development use on this 2.56-acre parcel, including manufacturing, warehouse, storage, production, exporting, and so much more. Great corner lot location almost directly across the street from Crater Lake Regional Airport and Kingsley Field, with public road access from Wright Road and Swan CT. Rail spur at the adjacent property could be accessed and developed by new owner. Buyer could enjoy tax benefits with the enterprise zone through development. Property is located in the area of all commercial/industrial development and zoned for almost any use. Take this opportunity to purchase affordable industrial zoned property and develop before it's gone.